let's enrich this network data with information about the IPs, like where they're from and what they've been doing. We're going to need two tools. First, we're going to install Apipheny, an extension for Google Sheets, to talk to the API. Just like this, search up Apipheny, check it installed. You're good to go. Then we're going to activate the extension. Now we're good to go. Next, we're going to grab the free service IPWho to pull in information about the IPs. Reading through their docs, it needs these IP addresses as a big, long, comma-separated string. So let's build the tools to do that here in the spreadsheet. We're going to have our lookup sheet. We're also going to have our API key, where we can reference it in the query later. The query we want to use here is join. This will add a comma in between the arrays that we have for our IP addresses. If you have more IP addresses, just make the columns bigger. Now we've set up our query just like in the docs for IPWho. You can see the 3 brackets for us referencing the queries in our different sheets. Now we've run it, we can have a look at the data that's come through, and we can see these IP addresses were from North America, United States. They weren't from a Tor endpoint, they weren't from a VPN, and so on.